Today, we're going to be presenting to you the steps of paint correction and ceramic coatings. Hey guys, Ryan Ray, IDA, CDSVMC, Detail Mafia Associate Member here at JJ Squeaky Clean Mobile Detailing. This is going to be part 2 as a follow-up video. Now right here, we've got our maroon pads and our orange pads. This is the necessary products needed for my paint correction. So this is going to be for my cutting stage. The swirls and scratches you see in the paint, this is what's going to smooth those down. And of course that mirror finish, that's where the orange pad comes in. That's going to be my polish and finishing step to make sure I get a nice mirror gloss on that paint. Now to do that, I'm going to make sure that I have the proper products to do so. We love using our Pearl Nano Correction compound. That's going to be the compound used in our one-step paint corrections, and of course for a 2-stage where we might be introducing a maroon pad, we'll have some other heavy cutting compounds to work with. Now this is all made possible through our Rupes LHR 15 Mark IIIs. This is the average Rupes that we're going to be using most often. We also have a few different sizes to choose from for larger vehicles or small nooks and crannies. Now, let's say we've got the paint correction process done, it looks good, we're ready to prep and do our ceramic coating. Now the final prep step is going to be our Geon Prep or our Pearl Nano Decon. Now Geon Prep and Pearl Nano Decon are oil removers. That's going to mean that any polish or compound residue left on the surface whatsoever, this is going to help us get that taken off and get ready for ceramic coating. And last but not least, we have our ceramic coating process. So with the ceramic coating itself, for this 1955 Chevy Bel Air, we have this Pearl Nano XV2. This is a 5-year coating that we're going to be applying to this beautiful piece of American history. And this is going to help protect that paint. It's got a lot of different qualities for this coating in particular. You're going to see an H9 level of hardness for the surface for all that paint protection that we're applying. You're going to see a pH tolerance of 0.5 to 14. You're going to see increased water spot resistance, and you're going to see that beautiful mirror finish like you would from your beautiful ceramic coatings that you see applied to vehicles. So with this is going to be our final step. We're going to let the vehicle cure for 24 hours before we introduce it to any kind of water. We'll wait a full 2 weeks. We'll ask the clients to come back in. We'll look around the vehicle, make sure the coating's good, if we need to make any extra touch-ups, and then you will be good to go. And we'll see you next time at your 1-year maintenance, or if you'd like to bring it back to us and get it detailed in the meantime. Thank you guys.